Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am good.
It's good. My name is Cordelia.
Sorry?
My name is Cordelia.
Yeah, my name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Amazing, nice to meet you. I myself am from Canada, but I'm currently living in Mexico.
Wow, I am living in southern part of India.
Okay, very nice. And why are you learning English?
For personality development, and I have completed my post graduation with. So that's why I want to be fluent because I think if I will be fluent, then I can be anything like a good speaker and a good teacher as well. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. That's good. And what do you do for work?
I do nothing. I just learning English.
Okay, nice. Just taking time off?
Sorry?
Are you just taking time off from work?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's good. I wish I could do that. But very fun. And so, what do you do on your free time if you're not working?
In my free time, I always roam with my friends in my village where I talk to my villagers and I enjoy roaming with my friends because I always be happy when I do gossip with my friends and sometimes I go to walk around our fields, our garden, and when I go in nature, that it seems to me very good.
Yeah, nice. That's good. And what do you do when you're with your friends?
Sorry,
What do you do when you're with your friends?
can you write it?
What do you do when you're with your friends?
Oh, so when I be with my friend, I just talk about any topic for future and someone's career and when you met with your childhood friends, then the conversation is not going to end. There is a lot of conversation going on, and we enjoy it.
Okay, nice. That's good.
Yeah.
Very nice. Fun. And do you like ever go on walks or do you play any sports?
Uh, I don't play any sports right now.
Do you know how to play any sports just for fun?
I can't hear you properly.
Do you play any sports just for fun?
Yeah, I play cricket sometimes because for being fit, it is necessary for me, I think. So playing is good for our health and we refresh our body whenever we feel like physical games.
Okay, nice. That's good. That's fun. I learned how to play cricket in school. It's fun. Yeah. And how about any instruments? Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't know how to play any instrument.
Okay. Yeah. How about like books? Do you like to read?
Sorry,
Do you like to read?
I can't understand.
Yeah. Do you like to read?
Read books or something else. Yeah, it's like my first habit to read newspaper throughout the day and in reading news in my mobile make me feel good and learning English through the general knowledge and the GK and current affairs. Yeah, it is a good time pass for me. So I like to read a book a lot because for gaining knowledge about any fields, we must read a lot, I think.
Okay, that's good. What kind of books do you like to read?
Motivational books and history books I like, and there is a lot of best-selling book like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Chanakya Niti,
Okay,
and yeah,
that's fun. That's good. Reading can be fun. It can also be really boring though if it's not a good book.
so what do you do for fun?
What do I do for fun?
Yeah, what do you do for fun?
Um, I like to play guitar. I like to read. I like horror books, scary books. um, I like to go to the beach since that's where I am in Mexico. I like to go there every day. See my friends. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah,
Sometimes I like to sleep.
yeah. So I think for being relaxed, go to beach is many person habit, and it feels very good when you go any river front or go to beach.
hmm Yeah. Are you near the ocean?
Any ocean near me.
You're not near the ocean? You're not near the beach? Okay.
Yeah, I have just a river in my village.
Okay. Nice. Do you like traveling to the ocean?
Yeah, I like, but for now I didn't go anywhere. So I wish I would go in future.
Okay. Fun. And do you travel a lot? Or have you traveled a lot before?
No, I travel once in a year and I go another state for work, or else I don't travel much. And in local, we go to our relatives' house and we go to some temples, and there is some place to worth visit, so I go.
Okay. Do you want to travel more?
Yeah, it's like a dream for everybody to travel out of your country, inside your country, because when we travel, we learn a lot of things. We explore new cultures, new languages, and we find about any person's earning, they speaking, what they are doing. So we explore a lot of things by going to any journey.
Okay. Okay. Good. Very nice. Where would you like to travel to? So you said around your country. Do you want to visit other countries?
Yeah, I want to visit other countries and my countries as well because India is a huge country. So in India, there is a lot of places towards watching, and if I go, I must enjoy. I hope so because in India there is a lot of rivers, temples, and many pilgrimage camps. India for spirituality and for yoga, and people comes for taking a bath in holy rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, and in India there is a lot of thing to visit for visiting. But yeah, I must go someday or other.
Okay. And what other countries would you like to visit?
Yeah, I want to visit UK.
The UK? Okay. Just the UK?
UK, and there is a lot of countries in my bucket list. But I heard about UK, Canada, US, and many Indians going right now Canada because just for studying.
You will be going to Canada to study?
No, I just Want to go for visit, but I am saying that many Indians go for study Canada.
Okay. Okay, it's true. A lot of people do.
Yeah, and people also go UK for studies. So I think Canada, US, and UK is famous for universities and good education system.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. It's good. Canada's
So
fun.
yeah, go ahead.
Oh, no, I was just saying Canada's fun.
Sorry.
I was just saying Canada's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. But
So are you living in Canada?
yeah, I live in Canada, but I'm in Mexico right now. I'm just traveling a bit before I go to university in September.
So Mexico is in Canada or in some other countries?
Sorry?
Uh, I just asking Canada, Mexico. Mexico is based on Canada.
No, I'm in Mexico's a different country.
Oh,
Yeah, so there's Canada. Mexico is beneath the United States. It's Mexico's Latin America. Spanish.
yeah.
Tropical. Yeah. But it's good. Yeah. And do you have any plans for what time is it for you?
Time?
Mm-hmm.
Can you repeat?
What time is it for you?
Uh, I can't understand.
What time is it for you right now in your country?
In my country, it's 8:13.
It's 10:30?
8:30.
10? Sorry, I can't hear you.
In
It's
India,
only
there is, yeah, 8:30 p.m.
8:30.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. It's like 10 in the morning here.
in Mexico.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
it's
are
good.
you just teach on Cambly or are you teach offline as well?
Yeah, I'm just teaching here on Cambly. I lived in Guadalajara, which is a different city here, and I was in a classroom, but here I wanted to travel around, so I'm just on Cambly.
So you like to visiting other countries and states.
I do, yes, when I can. I try. I've only traveled to Mexico by myself, but I want to travel to more countries, but I'm going to university in September in Canada, so it will be a while until I can travel again.
Wow. So you traveling alone. So you are very, I think, very courageous.
It's good. It's easier than it looks. It's fun. But
Yeah.
yeah, that's good. Would you travel alone?
Yeah. I like to do anything alone, whatever I can. So I think I should do because when you are alone, that time you are very strong.
Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of people tell me that. Yeah, I've had some bad things happen to me too, and I have to deal with that by myself, which is not easy. But
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
yeah. But no, I had my phone stolen in Guadalajara. It's common for people to just grab your things out of your hand on a motorcycle, and my phone was stolen, so I had to deal with that, which was not fun. But we're good now. We're good.
Yeah,
Uh,
really.
we're almost out of time, but it was so nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah, your English is really good.
I don't think so, but I must improve.
No, you're good. Take care.
Bye.